Hello guys! Magluto ta og squid. Panihapon. First, we put the oil. When it get hot a little bit, then we're gonna add garlic. Then ukay-ukay a little. Ukay-ukay a little. Like that. Humot kaining garlic really smell good. I like the smell of the garlic. See, it's almost brown. Now we're gonna add the onion. This onion, oh, the green onion. I'll put the white part first, because the green part get burned so fast. So put the white part first. Ang lupad. Okay. Then stir it a little bit. See, sizzling. Now start smelling good. Smell good. After this, red bell pepper. To add more flavor. This is really easy recipe. Everybody cook this type of food like this. It's a common food in Philippines. Now we're gonna put our squid. Okay, it's good. Now it's in. So I'll add this one, bagoong, mother's best bagoong. I just put the juice to have more flavor in it, have some sing in it. It's good because I don't have no patis, wala akong fish sauce, no fish sauce, so I just add the bagoong a little. I'm gonna wait until it starts smelling good now, guys. Sarap nito. Now we're gonna add the black pepper. And after, the green leaves of onion here. Next is soy sauce. Okay, that's good. So we let that boil, bring it to boil until this one is cooked. See, it's already get fat. It's already swell up. It swell up, look. See, that's good already. Now we're gonna add some of this seasoning. Magic syrup seasoning. I love this seasoning. Makes the food really good. That's it. Makes the food so yummy. Tastes good. There's nothing good about good food, but a good food. It's almost done. See? I'm gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, not too much, just a little bit. I like my sweet little bit soured, a little bit, not too much though, just a little bit of twang in there. I have visitor. I think it's a termite. Now we're gonna taste this one. Ah, perfect. It's good. Love it. I know. Now it's done. See? It's really good. It's done already. Don't need the water. Let the water of the squid in there. Don't. If you add more water, if you want like a lot of juice in there,
Can I look at the squid?
You can add water. You don't, just leave it like I like it like this.
Can I look at the squid?
My daughter wanna see the squid. Here, she never see this before. First time see squid. Wanna eat some?
No.
Why? That tastes good.
Those are dead animals.
But chicken, they're dead. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye. You wanna see me? See something? Oh no! See something? You got a purple mustache. What did you eat? Huh? Huh? OB ice cream?
Yeah.
OB ice cream. See? Like, subscribe our channel. And
I can subscribe to your channel and hit the bell button. Goodbye.
hi.
And rise up.
Here's the squid, the rice, and this one is pork halang-halang. It's spicy. It's a pork guts. My husband loves to eat this, but just the juice. He won't eat the meat in it. Just eat the juice with rice. He loves that stuff. And mine is this one. Panihapon guys, panihapon. Good evening.